What going on, people? So information coming from the Jamaican Star is on today, Monday, June 4th. Mavado was being shot at his place in Cassava Peace. You know what I mean? And according to the Star is that Mavado, who came to Jamaica because he's now living in Miami, you know what I mean, with his family. So he went to Cassava Peace, was there chilling. According to this is behind information that I'm getting. He was there chilling and some altercation developed between him and this anonymous person. The person got fist in his face and went away, returned back armed and dangerous, shoot at Mavado. Mavado fled the scene and went to the Constant Spring police station. So people are now bashing Mavado, saying Mavado is an informer. You know what I mean? I don't know what truth that is, because when your life is threatened and you're an entertainer, how far can you take this stuff? You know what I mean? Because look at Vybz Kartel. Look at the position Ninja Man is in. So how can you call this man an informer? You know what I mean? But according to the Star, everything is now in police hand. So that's why they're calling Mavado an informer. You know what I mean? But people, remember, not because you're an entertainer, I don't know the altercation, so I'm not going to speculate. I don't know the altercation developed, but as an entertainer, people don't care who you think you are. You know what I mean? I'm not blaming Mavado. I don't know. As I said, I won't speculate. But looking at this from many perspectives, as an entertainer, people in Jamaica, if you think so you're gonna violate any man and they feel like you know more than them, they're gonna want to come at your life. You know what I mean? Because look at Bogle. Bogle is now dead. You know what I mean? And there's other entertainer. They even shot at Mad Crabber. That's almost the same thing. So people, it's in this case, Mavado, the gangster for life, can't be the gangster for life all the time. You know what I mean? That's why I said there's many ways of looking at it. Because the government can usually look at this by saying, not all the time when these guys sing about gangster life, they're actually living it. You know what I mean? Because this can use as an example. So there's many perspectives to look at this. I can look at it in a way like, probably Kartel was right, that he was better than Mavado because he called Mavado an informer. You know what I mean? And now someone shoot at Mavado. You know what I mean? I've never heard of anyone shooting at Kartel. So there's many perspectives of looking at this. You see me? But I don't think he's informing, because if Mavado was to go ahead and, because Mavado have a strength, and if you're an entertainer with money, you're going to have a strength. You know what I mean? And Mavado can press any one button, but he's going to be incriminated nonetheless. So you have to be smart as an entertainer. Once you come out of certain things, you have to just know, say, yo, you're going to get disrespect, and you have to just leave it alone, because that's just how it is. Because you're going to have haters that just want to see you fall. You know what I mean? So I think Mavado did the right thing. From my perspective, I think he did the right thing if he really informed. You know what I mean? But I want to hear what you guys think about it, because it's interesting. It's still developing. I don't know everything yet, so I'm still waiting and listening. You know what I mean? Peace. I'm out.
Gangsta for life. Real Buckley's on. Anyway, gangsta for life. Anyway, yeah. Where them a do, where them a try, my road will fly high into the sky. Got me no borrow, me money buy, a boy would die. Where them a do, where them a try, my road will fly high into the sky. Got me no borrow, me money buy, my road will fly. Anyway, me no take talk, send boy body to the grave park. Them boy them have no brave heart. Them and them girl have the same man. Them a cry like a bitch when the war start. Them a run like a witch when we get robbed. Man go murder them blood clot. Can't suffer life for no take that. Where them a do, where them a try. Tomorrow will fly into the sky. Gun me no borrow, me money buy. Smarty with die. Flex where them a do, where them a try. Tomorrow will fly into the sky. Gun me no borrow, me money buy. Smarty with die. Warlord, back a start, let's see them gone again. Gangsta for life, we can't come again. Yeah, bring them arm again. 7, 8, 9, 10, get can again. When them a go do now, the thugs them can of them. Yeah, man a perform again. The girls them love how me go on again. Fire for your man and your man again. Where them a do, where them a try. Tomorrow will fly into the sky. Gun me no borrow, me money buy. Tomorrow will fly. Where them a do, where them a try. Tomorrow will fly into the sky. Gun me no borrow, me money buy. Smarty with die. Anyway, let them know that, yeah. You know not talk again. Talk out the bark again. You know me I said Delhi. Gangsta for life, alliance, yeah.